Assalamu alaikum students. Today's practical is check the laws of refraction and how can we use the optical pens to show the refraction of light, and how can we measure the refractive index, and how can we measure the angle of refraction, angle of incidence, and all that. So the operators you need for this is, yes, optical pens and pencil, ruler, a glass slab, and a paper, a white paper, plain paper, and a wooden board. Let's start the procedure. The first step will be to place the glass slab in the middle of the page, at the middle of the page, and draw the boundary of this glass slab, around this glass. As you can see that I have drawn the boundary of the glass slab, rectangular glass slab, and I have fixed this page on the wooden board. Now draw a normal line at the angle of 90 degree at the face CD, like I have drawn over here. This is called normal at face CD. Now draw the incident ray at an angle of 30 degree by using protector. I will place the protector over here and will draw the angle of incidence with the normal, that is 30 degree. This is the incident ray drawn. Now take 2 points P1 and P2 on the incident ray and place the optical pins, fix the optical pins on these points P1 and P2. As you can see, I have placed. They should be parallel, they should be erect. Now place the glass slab at its boundary, at its original position. The reason that we draw the boundary around the glass slab is that if the glass slab displaces due to some jerk or any disturbance, we can replace it on its previous position. The pins should be erect. These, if they are not straight, erect, fixed on their position, the practical may get some error. Now turn the wooden board and look at the opposite side of the pins through the glass slab. Now you can see the two images of the pins from the inside the glass slab. What you have to do now, the procedure is that you can see the two different images. One, this is pin 1 and that is pin 2. Now what you have to do, rotate your eye, rotate your position of eyes in such that the pin 1 hides behind the pin 2. You can see here pin 1 and pin 2 both are seeing differently, not hiding behind each other. You have to see from inside of the glass. You can see this is pin 1 and this is pin 2. Image of the pins. Now you will position your eye that pin 1 and pin 2 aligns each other. Now where the pins are aligning, you have to place another pin, pin 3, such that the image, this is the image of the aligning pins. The image of the pins hide behind this pin 3. like this. And now place another pin, pin 4, such that the image of the pin 3 and the image of pin 2 and 1 hides behind, yeah, or you can say aligns behind the pin 4, like this. Now remove the pins and join the points P1, P2 and P3 and P4. As I joined point P3 and P4, now I will join point O and P with each other. Now you can see that when light enters into the glass block, it refracts towards the normal. And when it comes out of the glass block, it bends away from the normal. So, what is the angle of incidence? It is the angle of incidence I. There was 30 degree we have taken. This is the angle of refraction which we can measure by using this protector, and that is almost 20 degree. So that is less than angle of incidence. By using these angle of incidence I and angle of refraction 20 degree, we can find the refractive index of the glass, that is sin I. The formula for refractive index is sin I over sin R. Sin 30 degree divided by sin 20 degree.